My name is Adam Erhart, and welcome to Modern Marketing Minute. On this episode, my new content strategy. Clock is ticking. Alright, if you've been reading or watching or listening to my stuff for any length of time, then you know that I believe content marketing is one of the greatest strategies available out there if you want to grow your business, build your authority, and generate more leads for your business. In fact, Seth Godin says content marketing is the only marketing that's left, and he is absolutely right, because content is essentially in everything, regardless if you're running Facebook ads, doing video, conducting podcast interviews, writing blogs, whatever it is, it's all content. What makes content marketing so great is that it allows you to build massive levels of trust and authority in your market by being the one to deliver that information, that insight, that how-to guide, whatever it is, whatever information you're trying to convey to your market. It also gives you more areas for touch points, allows you to stay top of mind, and essentially gives you more areas to engage and interact with your audience. The drawbacks are admittedly takes a lot of time, a lot of money, and a lot of energy to produce a ton of content, which is why if you're just getting started, I really want to recommend you adopt a new strategy that I'm starting to use in my business more, which is micro-content, and essentially is exactly what Modern Marketing Minute is. It's small, actionable, 1 to 3 minute content that's easy to produce, easy to create, and easy to consume for your audience.